Hey everyone, we have our super fun tech party coming up. It's our 9th annual one. Brett, what is Tech Party?
Tech Party is the time when I get to, along with my cousin George, come to you and we get to share with you all the latest and greatest in sewing and crafting techniques. And we've got all the new technology coming out from the sewing machine companies. We have things from Brother and Baby Lock and Bernina. You won't want to miss this at all. Our vendors are also participating, so they're giving us things. They're giving away sewing machines and they're giving away other products. We'll have over $2,000 worth of giveaways at each tech party. And now listen, there's 8 to sign up for, 4 days, twice a day. And so you have a chance to win. You can have a chance to win 8 times if you come to each one of them.
Yeah, that's amazing. So Tech Party is September 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th.
That's correct.
So you gotta sign up today.
Sign up today, yes.
Totally free on our website. Just click the link in the video.
And you win prizes.
And you win prizes.
And you learn a lot.
And you learn a lot.
Yes.
It's good. It's a ton of fun.
Yes, a ton of fun. That's great. I will be there, and Calvin will be there, and my cousin George will be there. You won't want to miss it. We'll see you there.